Okay, so this is the AC cover. We decided to extend the longevity of our air conditioner. Now this one is built for a box one because the next one is going to be the box one. They come in different sizes, as you can see, all the way from 24 to 39. This is a very heavy duty water repelling, waterproof, windproof fabric, and the clips at the bottom are plastic, so you basically just pull it. Do I recommend one of these? I mean, you don't know that you need one until the air conditioner breaks, and it's usually not gonna break till years from the purchase date. It's got clasps at the end, it's got Velcro, so, and you have this to tighten it up as well. Very thick material, tear proof, well, pretty tear proof, because we had to shimmy this down behind this brick. See, so like you could do that and it's not gonna tear it. So it's a lot better than material like this, for example, which would tear right away on the brick. Same thing goes with like umbrellas, like that umbrella over there, for example. That one, look how broken it is, simply because I didn't have a cover for this. Just still my 2 cents, but definitely get a cover. Thanks for watching.